server down error. 1. Check official server status. Visit official game social pages or community updates. Check if servers are under maintenance. Wait until servers are back online if outage exists. 2. Restart your internet connection. Turn off your router and modem completely. Wait 2 minutes before turning them back on. Reconnect your device and launch the game again. 3. Restart your PC or console. Close Subnautica 2 fully. Restart your system normally. Open the game after rebooting. 4. Use a wired internet connection. Connect your PC or console using Ethernet cable. Avoid unstable Wi-Fi connections while gaming. Test if connection stability improves. 5. Disable VPN or proxy services. Turn off any active VPN software. Disable proxy settings in Windows or console network settings. Relaunch the game afterward. 6. Check date and time settings. Open System Date and Time Settings. Enable Set Time automatically. Restart the game after syncing time correctly. 7. Allow the game through Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall settings. Add Subnautica 2 and Launcher to allowed apps. Also whitelist the game in antivirus software. 8. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Subnautica 2 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 9. Change DNS settings. Open network adapter settings on your PC. Use Google DNS 8.8.8 and 8.4.4. Restart internet connection afterward. 10. Reinstall the game or launcher. Uninstall Subnautica 2 completely. Restart your system before reinstalling. Install a fresh copy of the game and launcher.